You can actually go ahead and embed out different supported apps on your page in Strikingly as well. So to do that, you need to click on Add New Section, and over here on the left hand side, you can see the Advanced section right here, where you can go ahead and then, let's say for example, add in your social feed so that you can link it to Facebook and Instagram and so forth, or you can embed an app. And this is what we're going to look at right now. If you were to go ahead and click right here, then you can see that you can write your HTML code right here, which is actually a pro only feature. You don't see this in the free version. But if I were to click on edit right here, you can see that these are the pro features where I can embed my own HTML code, or you can see that I can go ahead and embed out different apps right here. For example, I can embed Google Maps or Facebook Comments or Google Forms right here, and you can filter it out by the tab as well. So let's say I want to embed out Google Maps to show the location. So to do that, you can go ahead and click right here, and depending on the app right here, you get different options. For example, in SoundCloud, you need to add in the SoundCloud URL right here. For, let's say, Google Form, you need to go ahead and add in the embed code of Google Form and so forth. So if I were to go to Google Maps right here, I can go ahead and search for a location. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say Yangon right here and press enter. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So I actually typed in Yangon, and let me just go ahead and save, and it actually shows up Yangon right here. So this is the map that is embedded right here. If I were to go ahead and preview out the site right here, you can see that it opens up right here in the new window, and you can see that this is an interactive Google map right here, just like this, that you can go ahead and work around. So if I were to go around right here, you have an option to view the larger full Google map right here, just like this, and then you can go ahead and zoom in and see other details as you want as well. So this is how you can go ahead and use the embed apps block inside of Strikingly to embed out the different apps that is supported. So with this block, you can go ahead and change around the layout. There's like only the space option, and of course you got the background changing option as you need as well, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the embed app block inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.